to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew. Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It's okay. See? Just me.
Rivet?
Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should...
Thank you.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Blunt, will be your host. Me, Stephen Mars. And Rusty Page. Give it up for our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Bell with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued an defective warlock, and the rest is intergalactic history. And the crowd goes wild! And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. have some ammo, of course. At last, the home of heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of? You got a sweet bounty on your head, wombat!
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots! So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Watch out for swashbucklers in the water! Robobots! Attack! Oh, this brings you back! Our hero's vanquished is the enemy! Now, he must walk the dangerous plank of doom.
There, we can glide over.
I see more of those goons down there. We better get moving before anyone gets hurt.
More goons incoming.
There he is! Let's get that sweet bounty cow!
Let's take out that dropship and end this. A little rusty, but not too bad.
And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, what? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Still here? Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power! And the Enforcer! With its two bare...
Mrs. Zircon was betting you would pick that one.
More goons! Incoming! One more to go. Train pulling away. Let's go. The Dimensionator, Nefarious!
Put down the Dimensionator! Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler! It's exhausting! As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates... Say goodbye! Hey! What did you do?
What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
see that?
That was rather exciting.
Just need to cut through the station and catch up to Nefarious. I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
I knew you'd come.
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis
Đừng
leaving
cầm
from
tí
that
nha.
stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Hiring us, we're gonna need like a bonus.
All ride's here. Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Mrs. Zircon is eager to see your select.
Say, you know what is better than watching explosives? Throwing them with your bare freaking hands! Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or if you are...
That one will look amazing in your arsenal.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Don't let him get to the boss!
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Did that hurt? Good.
Take that, Nefarious!
Toads are so unpleasant. Oh dear, he is targeting us. His defenses are weakening.
Yes, run from me.
Me boys. Where did Nefarious find these?
Today my ultimate plan will come to fruition. He is perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time. You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes?
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
It's me.
To the depths! How many arms you got?
We've been boarded! Get off me ship, foul creature!
Did I do it? Or what? Is this... What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator, it... What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
You have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Oh. Clank? Clank? A wombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming?
Sorry, all the charming robots I don't have
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar. Second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, this is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like? That sounds like a club, all right. By any chance, would ya?
First mission in forever and my cover's blown!
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too!
Time for you to give up.
Phantom! Wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission!
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
My frame has been pierced!
On a scale of 1 to 10, I am the luckiest trooper in the battalion. There! The Resistance! Leave from the club!
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom.
Up here, new guy! Come on!
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait! Hey, wait!
There he is! The fuzzball from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Avoid close goal! Your resistance ends here!
Assault will get you nowhere!
Please refrain from further aggression! You will not stop!
Now, where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. Shh. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash! The glove handles the rest. Have you done this before? You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombax. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a Royal Starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Avoid close contact with the Lombax! You will not stop! Pardon me. To upgrade your arsenal first. Oh, you are getting it. Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape. You're gonna love that upgrade. Lock in what you got and come back with more raritanium. Goodbye now.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon was never here.
Did you try the tricks? You can get them all for 1% of your yearly salary.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give the city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
Should have ordered the toxic crab wax.
Citizens of the Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of the truth. And the truth is, we talk.
Alo. Sao giờ?
Finally.
Đâu rồi?
Various tower,
Nãy giờ
here I come.
có trục trặc không? Dạ, chứ sao?
Wow, where'd you learn how to run?
Chắc cũng gần 1 tiếng. Gần.
Alright, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access consoles in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the
Thì
city.
thì có chừng vậy thôi.
And she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?